Welcome back as we continue the subject of wheel dressing using a diamond-tipped dresser. The procedure is, as always, to first ensure that you are wearing adequate face and eye protection. Grip the dressing tool using both hands and support it on the tool rest. Roll the tool across the wheel face, applying a steady pressure. You will require practice to achieve a flat face finish. However, do not follow the contours or grooves in the face. Simply remove the high spots or ridges. It is hoped that with practice, you will now be able to use and maintain general-purpose bench grinding machines both efficiently and safely. Practice the procedures taught during this video section until you become competent. We look forward to having you learn more about engineering skills by viewing other programs in the Tech AV series.